guys, and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to review, I'm going to go right into it. Hi Smile! The reason why I wanted to do this is because I wanted to see, are they good or are they not? So before we continue with this video, I just want to say that it would mean a world to me if you subscribe to my channel and if you thumbs up this video if you want to see this kind of videos. Hi Smile was very nice to send me these products to try out and to review for you guys, and the first thing that I want to show you is this Hi Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. When you open it, it's really cool. You have this little pamphlet which tells you what you should do. We're going to leave that, and here you have these like gels inside of this. As you can see, I already used two. I only left one for today, and you have this, you take it out and you kind of whiten your teeth. And then we have Hi Smile Day and Night Toothpaste. You have day toothpaste and night toothpaste. Of course, day toothpaste, you use it in the day, night in the night, and this is what it says. Day toothpaste has kind of like a micro-shield wax, aloe vera, 5 key minerals, calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and phosphate. And night toothpaste, it has activated charcoal, aloe vera, something that I can't pronounce, bentonite clay, grapefruit seed extract, and 5 key minerals. So with this toothpaste, you're not going to get only like white teeth, but you're going to get healthy teeth. And as you can see, I never was happier with smiling. So how I use these products is in the morning when I wake up, I take my day toothpaste, which is this one. As you can see, I already use this because I love this toothpaste so much, and you brush your teeth with it for a couple of minutes. Then the next thing that I like to do is that I take my Hi Smile Teeth Whitening Kit, and you take this plastic. So you basically take this piece, which is kind of like a rubbery, I don't know what it's called, and you apply 1/4 this whitening gel here and 1/4 here, and then you attach the mouth tray like this. You see, it's now put together, and then you relax and let the whitening process begin. You can do whatever you like in 10 minutes, and the LED light will automatically turn off once your 10-minute session is up. And then when you're done, you rinse mouth with warm water to rid of any residue, and that is it. Oh yeah guys, it's really simple, it's really quick, really easy. I really love this product, and I forgot to say that in the night before I go to bed, I apply my night toothpaste, brush my teeth. It's black, so it has activated charcoal inside. I love it because it's really easy to use, it's really simple, it doesn't take you a lot of time in a day. With my previous teeth whitening product that I used, I kind of wasted my time because I had to brush my teeth, then use that and brush it again, then it's so messy. But in this kit, you take everything that you need. What I love about this product is that it's so quick and easy to use. It has automatic timer, so you don't have to check your time every 5 minutes or so because the LED light will turn off when it's done. This mouthpiece is all-in-one, so you don't have to hold it with your mouth. You just put it in your mouth and you're done. And the taste of gel is not really strong, like I can barely feel it, so it's not bothering me in any way. And I really love the packaging. It's so nice and cute. You can see how my teeth looked before I start using this product. So my first day and how my teeth look after 6 days of using this product. So I have to say that I'm really satisfied. I would definitely continue using these products because as you can see, my teeth are really white. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. One more time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like HiSmile, tell me in the comment section what you love about them, do you hate them, what is your opinion on HiSmile. I would definitely recommend you to try out because it's cheap, it's not like, I don't know, really expensive. It really makes your smile nice. You don't have to waste a lot of time on going to a professional dentist to whiten your teeth, you know, stuff like that. So yeah guys, I really love you and I'll see you next time in my next video. So till next time, bye!